at the peak of his career, who did not like that.
Is this just...
I'll say it was a hit. Where is the mastermind?
Thank you, Brigadier. Related to the court, this is what he says.
Kuloko ke ngikucaphuneleke inkantolo kule statement naka kushisa.
Immediately the tall one followed. That is the first line on that other page. Pages are not numbered.
Ngokusheshsha lona mude walandela.
He was wearing a black hoodie,
Wayegqoke ke ihoodie,
but light in complexion.
ihoodie emnyama kodwa ke ekhanya ngokwebala lesikhumba.
That is all I remember about him.
Yiloko kuphela engikhumbulayo ngaye.
Thank you. Now, Brigadier Kininda says, in view of this description, the record from the people who were in the house, who saw these perpetrators when they got into the house.
Manje ke uBrigadier Kininda uthi ke ngenxa yalencazelo ayithola kulabantu ababesendlini maqondana nabantu kuthiwa bangena endlini ababona labantu abangena endlini.
He ascribed this description of the second suspect that comes from Longwe amongst others to Mr. Ntanzi. And Longwe says the second suspect was wearing a hoodie. He was light in complexion.
Oh, badakanya lencazelo yomuntu wesibili noma umsolelo wesibili eyanikezwa maqondana nalona wesibili ukuthiwa wangena endlini. Nomangalelwa with he ascribed it to
Accused number 2.
to mbandakanya nomangalelwa wesibili.
Do you have any comments?
Ungathanda ukuphawula kulokho?
Yabona la ikhotho ke kwathi ngelinye ilanga.
You see here in court one day
Angazi noma stay ni phoyisa la lekhona la eboxini.
I can't remember if it was Stein or who, the police official who was in the stand.
Owathi umuntu umehlele endaweni esithekile njengasejele kanje.
He said, you see, when a person is kept in a shaded place, just like in custody,
Unogain complexion.
usually they gain complexion.
So yabona mawubuka uNtanzi
You see, if you look at Ntanzi,
mnyama uNtanzi.
Ntanzi is dark,
And una 6 years asejele.
and he is 6 years in custody.
So kuba kuthiwa mhlambe uyagain complexion angazi ngabe gain ayipho ukuthi imhlulile kumanje sejele.
And if he were supposed to have gained complexion, I don't know which complexion would he have gained to be lighter, because he failed to do that all during his tenure in jail.
So akwazi ukuthi ngathiwa mhlophe ngoba emnyama kanje.
So it can't be matched that he is light in complexion, as dark as he is now.
Manje laba abantu laba besendlini
Now, these people who were in the house,
wabhala umuntu ayimbonile la.
actually, they penned about a person
Ngokusobala
whom they saw.
ngokusobala uthi engaboni yena uNtanzi.
It's obvious that he was not seeing Mr. Ntanzi.
Ngoba kuba wayebona uNtanzi wazothi ubona umuntu omnyama.
Because had he seen Mr. Ntanzi, he would have described him as dark.
So, what do you then say about the narrative that Brigadier Kininda gave to this court?
Uthini ke wena
That this description
ngankulumo
fits in Ntanzi.
uthini wena ke ngenkulumo enikezwe ke uphoyisa uGininda le enkantolo ukuthi yena uthatha lencazelo ayihlanganise noNtanzi.
Ngokwami mina ngithi nje into ayikhandile uGininda yena.
According to me, it's something that Mr. Gininda, I'll use the word concocted, he himself, or fabricated he himself.
Yeah. No, thank you, Mr. Mube. That is what I wanted to clear.
Angibonge Mncube, iloko bengithanda ukukuzwa kulolu daba
in respect of exhibit Focal Z15.
Maqondana nalesi statement ke esethiwe ke ngenombolo ke ena ozethabane no 14 kubakaki no 15 kubakaki.
Thank you. My Lord, I'm going to request.
So, yeah, accused 3 made it crystal clear that Longwe gave a statement based on what he physically saw as an eyewitness that night. Whereas Kininda coming to court and trying to twist that description to match accused 2, it is not evidence. It shows a desperate attempt to force a suspect into an eyewitness mode where he simply doesn't fit. And when police testimony directly contradicts both the eyewitness statement and physical reality, it really raises serious questions about fabrication, as Ngube mentioned. Family, this is why cross-examination in the court is so critical. The defense is putting every single claim under the microscope, and the state narrative is taking a hit after hit. So, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think the defense successfully exposed fabrication here? Do drop your thoughts in the comment below. Let's talk about it. It is me, Mrs. Independent, aka I am not a lawyer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and subscribe to the Great Awakening Media for daily trial updates. Until next time, stay safe and stay analytical.